Say hello, Chili. Say hello. Do you like the camera? Do you like the camera? Give the camera a kiss. Yeah, good girl. Do you like this tree? Do you like the tree? Do you like outside? Give the camera a kiss. Kiss the camera. No, not the tree. Kiss the camera. No? Okay. You're a very pretty bird. Yeah, guys, this is my Indian ringneck. I think I showed her in a few videos, but yeah. Also, apologies for, sorry for maybe wind noise, because I hate it when that happens on camera. Is it coming from this end? Oh, what are you doing, Chili? So, sorry I haven't been filming in a while. I might film a video tonight. Or tomorrow I'll be playing Ark this time. And, oh wait, I'm sorry. I haven't been paying attention to where I'm pointing the camera. With a friend. I'll be playing Ark with a friend. You might hear his voice, you might not. Oh my goodness. See what Chili's doing with her eyes? If I do this. Yeah, that one goes around. Oh! Can you hear that? Yeah, she's saying hello. You're a good girl. No, be a good girl. Nope. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. You a good girl? Ah! Alright, well, that will be it. Oh, what do you see down there? What's down there, Chili? What is it? What's on the floor? You want to go on the floor? I'll show you what it looks like with her walking, because seeing a parrot, like of all birds, seeing a parrot walk is the funniest for me. Come here, Chili. Come here. Come here. There, waddle, waddle, waddle. I'm gonna put her on this one. Actually, you know what? This one. Nope, that one has a spider on it. Spin around. I also hate daddy long legs. Chili, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Oh, you gave bye-bye kiss. Okay, bye.